everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix invalid destination address on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone as restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on done and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.